What if you invested $60 every day for a year? Well, I've been doing that since April of 2024. This is my weekly portfolio update. If you're new here, my name is Forrest. I invest in stuff and I fervently believe that everybody else should too. Let's jump into this week's update. Now, if this is your first time watching me, thank you. But also, why is investing so important? So time is the one thing that you're always spending, right? People usually aren't making conscious choices of what they're spending their time on. But one of the things that you can do through investing is you can make sure that all of the time that you're spending is always giving you a return. So one of the easiest ways to lift yourself and everybody who depends on you out of poverty or even just to the next level in this competitive world that we live in is through compound interest and investing. So that's why I'm so passionate about this. That's why I started this channel. That's why I've wasted thousands of hours and dollars filming videos and editing them and getting them out there. So appreciate it. All right, so let's take a look at the account. $60 a day, by the way, is $300 a week. That's $1,200 a month. So I essentially do $1,200 a month live. I often record these. I actually have some money that I need to invest right now. So we'll do what we always do. We'll scroll down to VOO, select that. I'll hit trade, I'll hit buy. And we'll just go ahead and do 300 because I'm behind. I've been busy running around like a madman recently. So if we just look at this position, VOO is essentially the S&P 500 index. You see I have 27.317 shares. The current market value is $16,206. And if you scroll down, you can see that my total return so far in the short amount of time that I started this series with you all is $1,500. Now, for some people, $1,500 might not be life-changing money. For most people or a lot of people, okay, it really is, right? That's like 2 car payments, maybe 3, maybe 1 if you're in serious trouble. Either way, if I handed you $1,500 right now, even after taxes, that'd be a meaningful amount of money. So the reason that we do this, right, isn't necessarily so we invest forever until we die, right? But money gives you options. You could have 1,564 more options than you do today, right? So that's one reason why you should start doing this. Overall, right, the market is at all-time highs right now, okay? So traded a little bit this morning. Anybody who's been buying or dollar cost averaging in so far is gonna be up overall. Pat yourselves on the back. Just remember that the math on that was that you continued to buy at the lows. So while everybody was freaking out and the world was ending, turns out it didn't end, just like it never has for all the other times that people freaked out, okay? So you don't wanna be selling at the lows and then buying back in at highs. So if you've been buying, keep doing that. Good job, keep it up, but don't start investing more at all-time highs. The rest of my positions here, so we've got the VOO, Palantir, NVIDIA, Microsoft, TSM, SoFi, MicroStrategy, and Rivian. We've got a lot of shares in Rivian. Let's buy a few more shares of Rivian, why not? Love Rivian, American Engineering, Merca, hoorah, go vote. Anyways, that's it. Subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out. That's it, kids.